Hi friends, now I'm going to show you banana flower chutney. This is very healthy recipe and tasty also. Here we are taking 2 banana flowers and red chilli, coriander, jeera, garlic, and salt, turmeric, finally curry leaves. These are the main ingredients for making this recipe. Now see this video. Here you know how to cut the banana flowers. Separated unwanted things from the banana flower as shown in the video. Now take a pan, heat oil in a pan, then add the red chilies and keep sauteing until they turn golden color. Then separate into the mixer bowl. Again add some oil, then add coriander and jeeras, add curry leaves. Fry all these ingredients on a low flame. After that, separate into the mixer. Again add some more oil into the pan. Now here we are adding banana flower pieces. Here we are cutting small pieces, that banana flower. So we are adding those into the pan. Then add turmeric. Fry these banana flowers up to 10 to 15 minutes. Then stop the stove. Now add the tamarind and all the above the ingredients add into the mixer. Once the mixer cool down, then grind to a smooth paste. A little bit water and then again grind it. Now heat oil in a pan on a low flame, then add garlic, red chilies, tempering ingredients, curry leaves, then finally add the smooth paste. Now the tasty banana flower chutney is ready to serve. You can serve this one in rice or idli or dosa, anything which you like. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.